back to Milky and Sis. Today we're going to be making crispy macaroni. So the ingredients are 1 cup of macaroni, 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, some chaat masala, and powdered chili and salt.
First you need to boil the macaroni.
We have 6 cups of water and we're going to go ahead and add some salt and oil.
So the water is boiling. While the water is boiling, let's add the macaroni.
And now we're going to let it boil for some more time. It's done now. Now we're going to go ahead and drain the macaroni.
Now we're adding corn flour.
Mix. Now we have mixed this, so now we're going to deep fry it. Make sure to boil the oil. We're going to fry the macaroni. Make sure to get an adult to do this. It should fry like this.
It's done now.
The seasoning.
Now it's mixing time.
It's done now. Now we're gonna taste test it. It's so crunchy. So I hope you guys like this video.
Thanks for watching.
And make sure to subscribe,
Like,
and comment down below what our next video should be. Bye bye.